Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Asana for Teams, pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Create a new project by clicking the New Project button. Choose either a blank project or a template that suits your team's needs. Once your project is created, name it appropriately. Add relevant team members by clicking the Share button. Assign team members to specific tasks by using the Assignee feature. To create tasks, click on the Add Task button and enter a clear task description. Set due dates for each task to ensure timely completion. Use sections to organize tasks into different categories or phases of the project. Utilize the Add Subtask feature to break down larger tasks into manageable steps. Encourage team collaboration by using the Comments section to provide updates or ask questions. Integrate files and documents directly into Asana for easy access. Set up custom fields if your project requires specific data tracking. Utilize the calendar view to keep track of deadlines and upcoming tasks. Regularly review progress with your team during stand-up meetings. Use Asana's reporting features to monitor project health and team performance. Adjust tasks and timelines as needed based on team feedback and progress. Encourage team members to update their task statuses regularly. Explore Asana's automation features to reduce repetitive tasks. Finally, celebrate milestones to motivate and energize your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.